30 degrees. Nice sunny day today. Good breeze going now. Okay, we're off. Just a little past noon. Walk up the trail, see if any animals have been using it. Here's woodpeckers. Deer right there in the middle. You can see them. There he goes. There you go. Got about 4 to 5 inches out here. Down here in Brown County. Okay, got the hammock set up now. Stretching from this little tree here on across. And got the underquilt under it here. And then inside the underquilt there is a thermal blanket. Underneath the thermal blanket, let me back up, is a sleeping pad. So you've got the poncho liner, underquilt, sleeping pad, thermal blanket, then the hammock. And inside the hammock, I got a double ply poncho liner and a single poncho liner. So there's like 3 poncho liners in there, plus all the clothes I wear. Got the rucksack hanging from the strap there, keeping everything high and dry. And then coming up off of this tree here. So still got to put the tarp on it, but getting ready to string all that up now. And but right now it looks warm and good. So there's the poncho liner underquilt. That's basically 3 poncho liners kind of folded over to 75% width and sewn together, and then a little loop at each end. So you've got, in parts of it, basically 5 ply of poncho liner there. So we're going to see how well that works. It's supposed to get down into the teens tonight, so see if that keeps me warm along with the other poncho liners. Okay. Let's get a little bit of a fire going. All the wood's got a bunch of snow on it out here, so it's one of those kind of throw it on top, let it dry, and then as it kind of dries, it'll slowly cook. So it's one of those kind of fires, you know. But got the hammock all set up, the underquilt, and everything to try to see if it keeps me warm enough. I've elected not to put the tarp on it. The tarp was going to go over, just keep a little wind off it, but I'm just going to keep it off. See how well it does without any kind of wind block at all on it. So we'll get some true testing of the warmth of the underquilt and the other stuff in there to keep it warm.